Trains. Hate them. Hate them. Hate them. Hate them. Hate them. Really hate. Hate them, hate them, hate them, hate. Hey, look. A train on the end of the train. Oh, no. Never mind. It's just another train. And here we go for more train. More train. More train. I really wish this train would get over, because I need to get to work. That'd be really great to get to work. I mean, on time, or relatively on time, not late. Preferred not to be late. Here I am, videotaping a train. This is what I do actually with my head. This is what I do. It gets very dizzy. This is why I hate trains. I always end up dizzy at the end. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's over. Awesome.